very proud today because he's graduating from IBDP 2024 batch from Kanakya International. So let me go 2 years back when we took admissions in this school. So Adi came from a state board school, and we directly plunged into the IB program. Initially, we were a bit jittery about how the program would go, how he would cope up from a state board to a IB board program. But I must say that the teachers and the staff, everybody, and the friends, they all helped him cope up very well. It was almost seamless with a few hiccups here and there. Uh, but the best part was, I think, the decision 2 years down the line, if you ask me, was the best decision because initially, when we speak about studies, especially in a country like India, it's more about exams, studying, and rote learning. Whereas IB taught us even more. I think it gave my son an edge over other students because he got an overall development. It wasn't just academics; it was building up confidence, being a leader, sometimes taking proactiveness, initiatives. Which I wonder if the current system, which the other people have, gives them. So definitely, it was a very beautiful journey at the end of it. And I must say that our IBDP coordinator, without mentioning him, this it's not fair. So Prashant sir is the backbone for all the students, and even Mangesh sir. So they inspire the students, they push the students, but it is to get the best out of them. So I think in the state board, especially because his last few years were mostly homeschooling because of COVID, right? So all the students were at home. They even the self-motivated students became very lazy and stuff like that. But once he came to IB board, I don't think I had to worry about him doing things. He used to get it done. The persistent dialogue was, "You don't worry, I will get it done." So, which was seeing my child from growing up to be a man, from a small boy to a man, where you don't worry, I will take care of it, and I have my teachers behind me, and they will help me. So that was really uh, uh, it was I must say bittersweet. I didn't want to let it go as a parent, but at the same time I could see that no, he's flying and he's soaring on his own. So that was good. There's one very big transformation in my son. Uh, my son is very shy. He takes a long time to converse with people, but in IB I could not believe it when he was comparing for the musical concert and he was comparing for the TEDx. It was amazing. I could not believe at all that it was my son talking on the stage fearlessly with confidence in front of such a big crowd. So that was a major contribution from IB. He actually came out of his shell. So this is really commendable.